far as measuring the depth of the screw we're going to put in, it's going to be a 24. I'm going to use the tap. As Dr. Ayers gets everything ready, he'll explain it to you.
So in this screw rack, they all look a little bit different, but there's the 3/5 quarter-full screws and the 4/0 cancellous screws. So we're in the distal 3 holes of the TPLO plate. I'm going to take a quarter-full screw, the 24 mark. This thing should slide down around the head of the screw and lock on, and I can lay it right up against this little measuring thing and confirm that it is 24 millimeters long. And as your surgeon's putting in the screw, make sure their stuff is ready to go for the next screw hole. So just wipe off their drill bit, have their drill ready. Make sure you have your depth gauge ready so that you can hand them the depth gauge after they drill their hole, and we'll speed things along.
Depth gauge.
Always remember, when you're handing these things off, hand them in a manner where they do not have to change the position in their hand of the instrument before they can use it.
Good, 22. Let's get through.